Bedouin tea. Cause like this place, magic. You need to relax and feel the place. You hurry for nothing.
Yeah,
Already you see the treasury
that's true.
from from the like all it's it from the mountain. You hurry from. Take your time, enjoy. Cause every place is different.
Yeah,
From here where you see all of Petra, from there you see only the treasury and the mountain.
yeah,
This is why we say for tourists. Because what we see tourists hurry,
missing.
too much hurry, too much missing.
yeah.
Yeah,
You go every day up and down.
yeah. This is our life.
Sometimes we sleep here.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's cold here.
Yeah.
In
This
the-
time cold, but after
After winter time and summer time, very nice.
Right.
almost like we finish this the winter, almost.
Yeah.
We know how to do that. Even cold.
Fresh tea with the mint from the mountain, herbs.
Good.
Very nice.
Why you drink all the time tea? Yeah.
Because our mate,
Yeah.
Our energy.
this is our like sweet. Like we don't eat sweet like thing like chocolate.
Chocolate.
Just tea.
Just tea.
It's our chocolate.
Yeah.
Before I eat chocolate, you see what we do? You see?
Right. Yeah. Chocolate is not very good. That's natural.
Natural chocolate.
Yeah.
Sometimes people say, why you drink sweet tea? We say, we don't eat chocolate. We drink sweet tea.
Because we are not enough sweet.
Right.
As you see it for girls sometimes. Funny,
Yeah.
They say, why you drink so much tea? Because we say over them, we are not enough sweet.
Right.
Also, where you see the top of Monastero from here, you look between the mountain, like W,
Yeah.
on right side something standing like a man.
Yeah.
This is the top of Monastero.
Oh, okay, okay.
The least.
I was there.
He was there
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Good. Lucky. Lucky man.
Go back and now here.
Good.
Good legs.
Good leg.
Nice to, when you have time,
Yeah.
you go around, you see different things, nice things.
Life too short.
Yeah.
Enjoy life.
Life is life, isn't it?
Smile to the life before the life smiles to you.
Yeah. That's true.
When you are traveling, nice to sit with everyone you see like.
You feel you are traveling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop. نهندس Italiano vero.
You been in Italy?
No, no. I've been by talking.
Right. Thank you.
Welcome.
Huh?